Hello everyone, today's menu will be egg tomato stir fry. They are quick, simple, and so delicious. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Here I have 5 eggs. I'm just going to add in the garlic powder and then give it a nice whisk to combine. This will take a couple seconds. Here I have 1 garlic and I'm just going to mince it into smaller pieces. And then here is half of a medium onion that I'm just going to chop it up. If you prefer, you can go ahead and just slice it. Here I have baby tomatoes that I'm just going to cut into half. If you want, you can use beef steak tomato too. They taste great with this recipe. On medium-high heat, I already added some butter. I'm just going to pour in the egg mixture and let it cook for about 30 to 40 seconds without touching it. After a couple seconds, go ahead and slowly move the eggs toward the middle and continue the process until all the eggs are cooked thoroughly. In the same skillet, add in some more butter and then also toss in the chopped onions. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until tender. Alright, now the tomato is going to join in with the onions along with the garlic. They're going to have a little sweat competition going on. Going to also add in some ketchup along with some water and some beautiful dark soy sauce. Give it a nice mix to combine. You'll want to cook this for about 3 minutes or until the tomato is slightly softened but still have its shape. After a couple minutes, go ahead and add in the cooked eggs along with the Asian chili powder. And if you don't have the Asian chili powder, then just use cayenne powder, or you can just omit all at once. Give it a nice mix and make sure to slightly break the eggs apart. And you'll want to cook this for another 30 seconds to a minute. Here is the end results of the egg tomato stir fry. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!